Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Steam cannot verify game file. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and right click on the Steam, click on show more options, and then click on properties. Once you've done that, you want to simply go to the compatibility settings and click on change settings for all users. This is where you want to make sure that this one section is selected as a check mark. Run this program as administrator. Once you've done that, you want to simply go to the security tab, and this is where you want to select multiple users. Click on edit, and then simply go ahead and allow full control on every single one of them. This is definitely going to go ahead and help you solve your problem. However, if it still doesn't solve your problem, what you want to do is simply go ahead and clear your cache. Simply go ahead and press Windows R and then write this exact sentence, which is going to be %localappdata% and click on OK. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and open the Steam folder and delete everything that is on its path. Once you've done that, it is simply going to go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.